Thanks for clicking on the video. So there's rumours that they've started doing the work at Marine Lake, so they've started dredging it. Apparently there's a big boat in there and they're sucking all the mud out and stuff, so obviously I'm going to go down that way, sun's out, and go and check it out. Still closed, signs up, but can you see it over there? There is some kind of dredging boat thing. I'll try and get a closer look. It's definitely working because you can see all the mud churning up. It's fantastic to see the work going on. Hopefully summer, be able to go in there, go swimming, get my paddle board out, have a go at that. So good to be out in the sun. Feels like ages since I've been out down here and it's been sunny because it's been so miserable for so long. Thanks very much for watching my video. If you liked it, please press subscribe, and if you want, put a comment. Have you ever swam in Marine Lake? Do you ever use Marine Lake when it was open? What did you do? Paddle boarding? Oh, bit of a tight squeeze. Yeah, what did you do Marine Lake? Swam, paddle boarded, dinghied, made your own raft? Anyway, I'm waffling on as usual, so thanks very much everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.